Hi friends, how are you today? Today we are going to learn how to Photoshop in a missing eye. Everybody's a little bit different. If I had a one-eyed dog, I would like to keep my photo of my one-eyed dog. Other people, they're like, hey, my dog used to have two eyes. I would really like a really nice portrait with him or her with two eyes. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. It's super easy, super quick. We're just going to start by selecting our marquee tool. Keyboard shortcut is M, and we're just going to select the eye and the area around it. Nice broad range so we have some room to erase and blend. I'm going to say Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control T to transform. Those steps are right over here. Again, that sequence, just so I can say it again, is Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control T to transform, and then now we can right click here in the eye area, say flip horizontal, so we have an eye facing the correct way for the other side of the face. We can click over here and drag it where it goes. I'm kind of looking at this coloring that kind of comes up the bridge of the nose here to line it up. We don't want the eye in the wrong spot. So that looks good. I'm just going to click up here so I can see. Now we obviously need to do some blending. We're going to do that with the eraser tool. So we're going to click E to erase, make our brush a little bit smaller using the bracket keys to the right of the P. I'm going to increase this opacity to 100%. Hit the very outer edge. There we go. And then reduce it to maybe like 50% and come in just a little bit closer. I made my brush a little bit smaller using the bracket key. And I think that's good. So actually I'm going to hit the V key to move and use my keyboard arrows here just to nudge it up just a hair. So now we have eye gone, eye there. Super easy, guys, super fast. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments or send me an email to Gretchen@GretchenOtero.com. I would love to hear from you guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.